You talked about prospective studies there, and of course we're very used to seeing, randomized controlled trials, randomized placebo-controlled trials and so on over a specific intervention. Given that there are lots of different sorts of cancer, and given that cancer develops potentially over many years, just how good are those trials, and how much of it is an observational thing rather than actual meaningful evidence?
Yeah, no, it's a good question to discuss, really. I mean, I think with any nutrition study, we have to look at the complete body of evidence to really come to the kind of consensus guidelines. And we have all of that, from the large prospective observational studies, and then, by definition, these randomized studies are going to have to be small, because you have to very much control what people are eating and make sure there's no other differences between people. And you have the resource, the finances to keep such a study going for a long time. But we do have these small randomized studies, and maybe we'll talk about this in the context of early cancer. And then we have mechanistic data, in the laboratory, that shows us why such a diet centered around healthy plant foods is good for us. And then we have numerous studies to bring together in systematic reviews and meta-analyses. And that's exactly what the World Health Organization and the International Agency for Cancer Research did with regards to red and processed meat. It looked at the whole body of evidence, more than 500 studies, to come to the conclusion that processed red meat is a cause of cancer and red meat is a probable cause of cancer. And that's the kind of way we analyse data in all aspects of healthcare, really.